Hi people, I'm Jiayang, also known as Guada. I'm Chinese. I come from north of China and this is my second year at the United States. And before trabajé por 2 años in Panama, so that's why I also speak Spanish. And now I'm currently a doctor student of classical Chinese medicine at UNM. Yeah, and the reason why I make this series of video because my inner self is keep pushing me to make more videos about the process of after death and what constitute our entire death course. So our humanity is also facing a really vital point of the game of Earth Online. So I want to make step by step advancing in human subconsciousness level to maybe influence more people. Some people ask me, what will be your target audience? And my answer is that if you are ready, you are going to watch it. Yeah. 大家好，我就是瓜达。今天呢，我就在 opensignal， 然后我来展示我的魂魄的视频。然后这些都是我的朋友们。Hi。Hello。Our parents.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Yes. 然后这是我的朋友 Connor， 还有这个视频的拍摄者张 C， 他们都在一起参加我的首映式。然后现在我们来看一下 opensignal 的内部是什么样子的。像这里都是平时大家可以活动的地方，然后这边就是教室。现在呢，我们一起来看这个厕所。为什么要来做这个厕所呢？因为这里有我的照片。现在Johnson拿了一些爆米花，然后很好吃的样子。好，现在我们一起来看 studio。Good. Hello.
Hi.
所以这里就是我之前拍摄影片的地方。然后我们看到这里有 Studio A， 现在里面已经有一些人在等待影片的首映了。这是 Melissa，say hi。
Hi。
她是我整个 cohort 的导师，然后她其实帮助了我很多在剪辑视频还有拍摄上。Thank you.
You're welcome. So don't forget to get your picture with the photographer.
Okay.
That's what this is now, like where that rerun is on 7th and Fremont.
Our next cohort project is by it's Guarayin. And this project is called Hunpo. It's ancient non-material consciousness system. Jiayang, also known as Guada, loves discussing deep, key yet fun terms of Chinese philosophy and medicine, of course. She has noticed that people's thoughts are often constrained by the languages that they use, and the Chinese language, with its thousands of years of continuity, has developed a unique non-dual system of nouns that enriches understanding of both the microcosmos and microcosms. The video is a small part of her series of funky Chinese medicine and the process of after death. By understanding Hun and Po, you will gain deeper insights into the body of the human and the human experience, as well as after-death process. She believes that these videos will help more people find their roots and inner enthusiasm in this real but illusionary world. All right, here we go.
Both your departure and arrival, as well as your body, thoughts, and emotions, are all related to the Hun and Po. Dating back thousands of years, the concept of Hun and Po is documented in ancient and Eastern medical classics. The Yellow Emperors in their canon represent knowledge inherited from ancient civilizations. Problems to patients. The 7 Po we have are 尸狗 dog corpse, 服饰康熙
You're using technology to illustrate really ancient things.
Yes.
So can you get into that for a moment? You have the video games, the cars. Those weren't around when these concepts were created. So how did you get to that connection?
Thank you for the question. This is a really brilliant question. So I have kept thinking about how to explain esoteric Chinese terms to Western people. And so I keep thinking about, and every morning, sometimes I just wake up at 3 or 4 and I do some like automatic writing. And at that time, my intuition is really strong, so I can just follow the flow and I can listen to more of my inner self because that is really quiet. So that is one reason why I choose these two things, because I feel I need to do that.
Interesting.
Thank you.
Do you have, is there any type of meditation that is conducive to better understanding Hun and Po?
Yes, I feel like to understand Hun and Po, you don't need to use the human man to understand it. So a lot of meditation skills, like you use your imagination, you use different words, you use your chanting, but they are like basic level. What is the true meditation is like you keep observing yourself. It's kind of like you're in a market, you are facing different people, they flow, they want to buy your things and they want to talk with you, but you are just viewing them, you are not interact with yourself. So you stay in your body, but you are just observing your thoughts. And then step by step, I don't know if the word disassociated can be used that, but I feel that is disassociation thing. So your ego will overcome the fear of disassociation, and then you will become more aligned with your spiritual soul. And then afterwards, you can divide different thoughts of your different Huns and Pos, like where does this thought come from, where does that thought come from, and then you can be a mirror, you're just reflecting them, but you are not affected by them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I like to, sadly. But we definitely want to present you with your certificate. You are a certified Open Signal cohort producer now. Congratulations.
Opens up your creativity, and once you learn these skills, you can do anything.
And I set out to create of Black femmes in place and land, re-indiginated.
You are now certified cohort producer at Open Signal. Great work.
The different waves of Eritrean migration to Portland, primarily refugees.
I'm sorry. I forgot. I do a lot of public speaking.
Such great work.